GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video we have a link which says swing like a pro. So click on that link, come to this page right here where you can see all these setups and you can join this program if you want to do swing trading with me. And you can always join my free telegram right here, and if you want to speak with me one-to-one, you can book consultation right here. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA, as you can see. Daily we are above the EMA too with the bullish engulfing candle. 4 hour we are above the EMA as well. All the time frames are screaming that look for longs. Look for longs after the pullback in 4 hour. Okay, weekly above, daily is above, 4 hour is above, everything is above the EMA. Look for longs after the pullback. That's all. If you want to enter and exit with me precisely, then join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.